Welcome to Forsage. It is a decentralized marketing is powered by the revolutionary smart contract technology. To get into Forsage, we need to learn about Tron Smart Contract. Tron is a blockchain platform that has been developed to support high throughput and smart contracts. It allows developers to build and deploy their own daps decentralized applications. With only a minimum income of 50 TXR, $1 at the exchange, you made the corresponding proportional part every second and you can choose if you want to reinvest or withdraw the capital. The code for Forsage's smart contract can be seen here fully open, so you can be completely confident in the security and long-term operation of the project. So, how can you reach your goals with Forsage? It is based on building a partner network. You tell potential partners about the platform's potential and encourage them to collaborate with you. Partners who use your link send their first transactions to the smart contract address, and these are then instantly redirected to your wallet. The platform works directly with two marketing plans. The Forsage X4 platforms have been built in such a way that all members of the system help one another. Passive income is possible. It depends on the activity of partners, who can end up on your platform via overflows or overtakes. Follow our Facebook page to explore our community and enjoy the services and opportunities provided by Forsage and discover Tron Smart Contract as well.